which makes me all blush. I'm actually blushing now, which is really weird. Hey, summer hens, welcome back. And if this is your first time here, welcome. I am Naomi, and this is Summer Hen Beauty, where we talk all things beauty for people who are not spring chickens anymore, but they still want to look gorgeous. Today, we are doing part 2 of the My Skincare Routine series. I'm going to go through all the parts of my regimen. Last week, we talked about my moisturizer, which is the Drunk Elephant Proteiny Polypeptide Cream. Ding! I feel like Vanna White. And that is the base for the whole proceedings. And I told you last week that into that moisturizer, I put stuff. And I promised that I would start telling you about the stuff. So we're going to go with my night stuff. TM, copyright, registered trademark. We're going to go with my night stuff first. And I will show you the first component of the stuff that I put in my moisturizer. And this is the also Drunk Elephant TLC Framboos Glycolic Night Serum. This is an AHA BHA blend. AHAs and BHAs are chemical exfoliants, and they're pretty cool. AHAs and BHAs each have different jobs, and we'll get into that in another video, but the point is both equals good. Yeah, that's pretty much what you need to know right now. Okay, so here's how it works. Here's how I do it. At night, to do this glycolic treatment, I take my moisturizer, just like I showed you last week, and we showed how it opens up kind of funky. Okay, and that's to protect the contents from the air and the light and the muck. Okay, and then I take that, put it on my hand, and I take this bad boy right here. It says twist. I probably could have taken that sticker off, but I didn't. I like being reminded. And I twist it, also protecting it from light and air and muck. Okay, I'm going to show you. I just put a good pump into that. There you go. Right? And then what I do, after I add a few more things, which I'll tell you about in future videos, give it a mush. A mush. That's a word. Mush. Do we spell it with a U or two O's? I don't know. Do this and put it on my face. But I have makeup on my face right now. What do? Stare at that. Okay, I put it on somebody else's face. Okay, so what you do is you put that on your face and you leave it there overnight. In the morning, we do different stuff. We use the same moisturizer. We put different mix-ins in. It's kind of like going to one of those marble places where they make ice cream and you like pick your ice cream and then you pick your mix-ins. It's like that, but for your face. So that is the key component. That is the next step. Leaves my skin fresh and exfoliated. And my favorite thing about it is that for me, at least, it has eliminated the need for toner. Okay, so you know how you use a toner and it's full of all these acids and things? Okay, I don't have the patience for that. One of the things that drives me absolutely crazy about nighttime routines and morning routines, and why I have not perhaps been as religious as I should have been over the years, is because you have to do it in stages. First you wash your face, then you pat it dry, then you wait a while, then you put toner on, then you let that dry, then you put moisturizer on, or then you put your serum on it. And all of this, letting it dry, letting it sink in. I'm just like, I don't have 2.5 hours at night to do my stuff. So now what I do is I wash my face, I take my Proteiny Polypeptide, I squirt it out, I put my things that I want, rubby, on my face, go to bed, we're done. Okay, that is why I like it so much. It has so many different components and elements that are built into it that it lets me be lazy, and it lets me do it when I'm collapsed into bed at like 2 o'clock in the morning. I can put it on my face and I know that my skin is taken care of. All right, what's next? Next week, we're going to talk about the other component that I add into my nighttime routine, and that will be our skincare series. And throughout this week, we've got cool things coming up. We have Mother's Day specials. I'm putting my mom's makeup on myself to see what happens. Watch this space. We're doing a Should I Buy It on lip plumpers and how to use them. We're going to be soon up talking about, what are we talking about? No melt makeup, overnight lip treatments. We've got tons of cool stuff and some super easy tutorials. All right, if you have not yet subscribed and joined our little coop, we would be so happy to have you. Summer Hen is all about making life a little bit prettier every day. So subscribe, click the bell, and you'll find out exactly when my new videos come out. We have new videos every day. It is a new channel, and we're really excited to be here, and our little community is growing, and we'd love to have you. Thank you so much. If you've enjoyed this video, please click like. It makes such a huge difference, and it makes me feel like you like it, which makes me all blush. I'm actually blushing now, which is really weird. Anyway, thanks so much. I will see you tomorrow, and I hope you have an amazing day. Mwah! Bye, Summer Hens.